I'm with the Fairfax-Falls Church Community Services Board, and our message here today is really to take care of yourself. During this time, uncertain times during the pandemic response, our routines have changed. As we're trying to deal with our workplace, we're also trying to make changes in our family life so that we can respond appropriately. And so it's really important to take care of ourselves because we have an increased stress, anxiety, and just kind of not sure what to do. And so we want to get a couple points across is that it's really important as we're looking at our physical safety, which is that social distancing and keeping space from other people, we really do need to practice social connectedness. And so we want to get the message out that keeping in touch with your friends and family, phone calls, regular phone calls, being able to video conference if you have access to that type of technology is really important to combat isolation. We also want you to know that creating routines is really important to mitigating stress. And you can create routines by getting up at the same time of day that you normally would, going to bed and having a regular sleep schedule. Also maintaining your same food schedule. And also just to remember that you're not going to be able to do everything. So many people are at home right now trying to both telework and take care of their children, for example, in their schooling. And you might not be able to do school all day with your child. Telework might be different for you. And so that's okay. Really, it's about that connectedness. So spend time with your loved ones, read a book, try a new hobby, all again while maintaining physical safety, but things that can take care of your mental wellness. There's a number of resources for the Fairfax-Falls Church Community Services Board. You can go to our webpage. We have emergency services, which is available 24/7 if you are experiencing an emergency, a mental health emergency. Also, the Fairfax County Health Department has information. We also want to remind people to receive information from reliable sources. Again, there's a plethora of information out there, but reliable public health resources is really important. If you're having a mental health emergency, you can call 911 and ask for a crisis intervention trained officer, so a CIT officer. The Merrifield Center is where emergency services is located, and you can call the emergency services line 24/7. You can reach out to them, talk to them about the challenge that you're having. If it's about seeing somebody and seeing a therapist, again, calling the main number for the Fairfax-Falls Church Community Services Board will get you to an individual that can direct you to the right place. We have walk-in services for adults and for children. During this pandemic, times and times of the services are changing, so we will always have that information updated on the website. Keep hope. There's experts working on solving this pandemic, and experts within the public health field and experts within the county that are looking at processes and procedures. But what we really want people to remember is that creating routines, maintaining physical safety, and really maintaining your emotional safety, your social connectedness, so that you can decrease your sense of isolation is incredibly important, and that resources are available.